So for the first time in a long time, it's new bike day, and I got a 2006 Kona Cowan Dirtjumper. Let's start on the bike check. Has an FSR stem, ringleader bars, Avid brakes, a 250mm disc, Maxxis Holy rollers, and a Manitou Sherman. And the frame is a 2006 Kona Cowan. As you already saw, it has a single-speed cassette and a Shimano hub, and race face cranks, and a redline saddle. Also Avid calipers. So let's take it to this skate park and get riding. That was my first time dropping in, so my part will be a little underwhelming. It's been a few days since I originally got it, and some modifications have been made, so I'll showcase them to you. And as you can see, a few changes have been made. The first of which is that I dropped the Manitou, because I replaced it with the Fox 34 Talus. Of course, I put some Core 760s and a Wake stem, also some Shimano hydraulic disc brakes so I don't die, and Van Zodiac grips. And I put a new wheel on that had a quick release. Next, I put on a Kona saddle, and everything else is the same. So let's take it off the stand and get riding. Our first destination is Swamp Creek Dirt Jumps. So as you'd expect for a dirt jumper, goes over dirt jumps pretty well. It was very dusty, so I slipped and injuries were made. Next, I rode some street with it, but didn't film anything after that, so this concludes this video. As always, remember to stay Gucci.